I was lacking in experience in a lot of things, and I just felt really unsure of what I wanted to do and where I was going with my life. So I found out about the course, and I was really interested to join because I thought it would give me a little bit of direction and a little bit of insight into like my career. I expected it actually to be quite serious, or to therefore there to be like a huge amount of people, and it was almost like maybe factory-like, and it was quite scary, and I was really nervous. But it's a lot better, a lot better than I expected. I of course made a lot of new friends, but also I gained a lot of insight and into various careers, and I learned more about myself and how I am perceived and how I want others to perceive me. Everyone is different, but it's not a bad thing, and it's about how you train yourself to improve and to be better, and how you capitalize your differences and what makes you special and what makes you unique. In terms of where I want my career to go, I'm really unsure, and I think a lot of people at my age are really unsure. So having gone to this course, I feel like it gives me more direction and a little bit of influence into other ways I can explore myself and how I can make myself be the best version of